So, am I really opening a Wii U in 2018? Yes, I am. So, let me just give some context about this. I bought it from eBay. I bought a Wii U used for $200, and it comes with 3 games. So I thought it was a pretty solid deal. And I was thinking about getting a Switch, but then I decided, I don't have a Wii U. I might as well start with the Wii U, and I really want to play Smash 4, which you can't play on the Switch as of now in January 2018. So, yes, I'm buying a Wii U a little bit late into the game, but I'm so excited that I actually have one because this is my first Wii U. I've never bought one before. So, it is used, but it came with 3 games, so I was pretty psyched about that, and I did buy it from eBay for $200, so it was not a bad deal at all. So here we see it comes with Mario Party 10, which is awesome, and even came with a case, which is nice. Like, they didn't have to do that at all. And back here, Mario Party 10 looks like a lot of fun, and this is Donkey Kong Country Tropical Freeze, so I don't really play Donkey Kong games, but maybe I'll give it a try and see how it is. So it's nice to have. I also can't wait to play this with my friends, because we love to play Smash 4 and Mario Kart, so having Mario Party, adding that to the mix should be fun, and I don't think this is 2 players, but if it is multiplayer, oh, I guess it is multiplayer. So, oh, that's right. These games can be multiplayer. So that should be fun too. Okay, so inside, it comes with all these cables too. So I don't need this because this is the AV cable and I'm going to be using HDMI. So I can set that aside. But it is nice that he sent that with me. Or he sent it in the package for me. And then here is the power brick, which is pretty gigantic. Oh my god, okay. It's a pretty big power brick, but I guess that should be fine. I didn't know the Wii U had a power brick, but now that I think about it, yeah, it does. This looks like it is the charger for the gamepad, so that's cool. This side, this is the charging stand for the gamepad. Super cool. I think that's a neat idea. I'll have to set that up somewhere around my office here. Then, wow, very nicely packaged, I have to say. This guy did a really good job. Here is the gamepad itself. You can open this up. I hate packaging, but I am grateful for the amount of effort people put in when you buy something used. And now look at the pictures, and it looked like it was in really good condition, so I was like super psyched. And for $200, that was a pretty good deal. Now granted, I don't care too much about scratches since this is used, and the Wii U is kind of an old console now. Not kind of, it is an old console now because the Switch is out. And I do plan on getting the Switch at some point, but not anytime in the immediate future. So I can set that aside. Wow, so, oh, it's already turning on and everything. So yeah, it looks like it's in really good condition. Just like a little scratch there, but that's really impressive. The back looks good too. Yeah, this is awesome. Could not connect to the Wii U console. Okay, so I'll guess I have to set this up later. I guess I'll have to plug in the Wii U to set that up. And then the last thing in the box is, of course, the Wii U itself. I mean, the way you packaged it, I kind of feel like it's like I'm getting a new product. It doesn't feel used at all. Now, in general, I do prefer buying used things, too, if they're in good condition, because it just feels kind of wasteful sometimes to buy something new. So, like, not the MacBook I have right now, but the 13-inch MacBook Pro that I got in 2011, that was open box. So I do prefer that. And I also noticed, this is not related to technology at all, but even when I buy books, when I do buy hardcover books instead of Kindle versions, I definitely prefer getting a used copy to a new copy. Though it is a pretty great feeling when you get a new book and you open it for the first time, and it has that new book smell. Oh, that is great. But yeah, in general, I prefer buying used stuff because I just feel like it'll reduce the amount of waste in the world. lot of packaging. All right, so we can check on the side here. So there are a few scrapes here. Aside from that, it looks pretty reflective. Another, you know, a few scratches and stuff like that. But that's not a big deal. I probably would have done that too just by using it. Okay, so there it is set up. Oh, well, it's not set up, but I think I will set it up real quick. So first, I'll just plug it into my monitor here, since that's just right here. Let me plug this in. So I'm going to plug this into the HDMI port. That's for the thing. And then take this off. Ow. Don't need that. And I'll just, oh, that goes this way. Let me see here. Okay, that should be plugged in here. And I'll just plug this in down here. So this also, so I only showed 2 games, but it also has Mario Kart 8 pre-installed on it, which I am very excited to play as well. Make sure this is on. Okay, so it looks like I had to change my TV settings here. So it says it's 16:9 resolution. Okay, so no, that is not the correct one. I want to change settings automatically. Okay, I'll change it manually. HDMI. This is a 1080p monitor. And now it should turn on. Ah, there we go. Check the TV screen. If it's displaying correctly, select OK. Yes, it is. Resolution set to 1080p. Awesome. Now we can get started. So I'm not really too familiar with the controls. I don't know if there's a volume thing built in. Oh, here is the volume. Yeah, it's on the top right here. So since I don't have any speakers built into my monitor, so okay, so I guess this is the previous owner had it like this. We can just start with that user for now. Oh, and then on my screen here, I get all the games, it looks like. And here's Mario Kart 8, so let's select that and see what happens. Okay. Press A to start. Okay. Okay, great. So nothing, it doesn't look like anything has been, or maybe everything has been unlocked. I don't know. I'll have to check the save data later. I'm not going to start playing this right now. Let's see, how do I get home? So I click the home button here, I think. And I'll click close software. Close. And now I'm just going to try to create or delete the current user and create a new user. So let's see how that happens. So I think I click on the user here. Delete this. It is only one. Okay. So. Oh, sweet. So you can switch what you see up there and what you see here with this button on the side. And let me just check the settings really quick. Okay, so then I can connect to the internet and do all of that data management. Yeah, I'll go through all this at a later time. I won't bore you with this anymore. But yeah, so this is it. This is the Wii U unboxing in 2018. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun to play with. So I can't wait to get into this and see what else is in store. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.